Hey friends, welcome to Fix Netflix channel. Today, I'll show you how to unlock hidden menus on your LG OLED TV to access extra settings and features. These menus work on most LG OLED TVs from recent years, and you can access them without a service remote. So let's dive in. First up, the VRR Information Window. Simply press the green button on your remote 7 times. This will show details like refresh rate, resolution, and color information. To close it, just press the back button. Next, the Hidden Settings menu. Press the mute button 3 times to open this secret menu. Here, you can enable Auto Power Sync so your TV turns on and off with connected devices. Disable the LG logo on shutdown, making the TV turn off faster. Turn off Gallery mode, so instead of artwork, when no input is detected, you get a black screen. Want advanced picture settings? Go to Settings, select Picture Mode, and enter 111311 on your remote. Here, you can force register if your device isn't detecting it automatically. For faster app access, long press 0 on your remote. Assign a number to any app, and next time, just hold that number to open it instantly. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more LG OLED tips. Got questions? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.